The question of poverty. Are we truly powerless or apathetic? In the face of poverty, are we genuinely powerless? Or are we merely lacking the determination to make a difference? Every country, every region, boasts numerous so-called professionals, economists, anthropologists, and more. Why do they seem ineffective in addressing the issue of poverty? Isn't it strange? Doesn't it spark curiosity? Solving a problem may take a year or two, and that's understandable. But when a century or even several centuries pass, and the problem persists, how should we interpret this? Is it because technology is not advanced enough? Or are we lacking the will to take practical action in addressing poverty? Alternatively, have we become so desensitized to the issue that we are apathetic towards it? The answer may not be simple, but that shouldn't deter us from delving deeper. The problem of poverty should not be a topic for casual discussion among economists. It requires the collective effort of everyone. Let's cast aside our apathy, rise to the challenge, and strive to tackle this enduring issue in the world. Only through practical action can we bring about genuine change.